I'm going to be sharing some artwork that I've been working on previously. There was a couple of commissions that I did a while back and I hadn't posted them, and since I haven't posted anything on YouTube for quite a while, I thought it was about time that I did. So one of the commissions was around the Paralympics that never ended up happening due to the pandemic, and another one was a private commission of some anime fan art. So to start with, we had, this was Ellie Robinson from Team GB. She was asked to be drawn in an anime style. So I drew it up, sent it to the client who asked for a few changes, and eventually they okayed it, went ahead and mangarized it before doing an anime style colour job over the top of it. So once we had one down, it was moving on to the next character athlete. That was Kadina Cox. So she was asked to be on a bike, cycling away, and I had a couple of ideas with the helmet. In the end, I asked the client and they decided to go for the sort of cone shape, egg-shaped helmet that she wears. So after they okayed the sketch, again, went with the colour stage. I neatened it all up, did some nice neat outlines, some nice colouring, and the client was happy with that. But yeah, like I say, because of the whole pandemic situation, nothing ever came in this project, and who knows, maybe things will sort of pick up again with the whole Olympic stuff as and when. So the last thing was some Dragon Ball Z artwork. So this was actually for a private commission. The customer wanted to do I think it was like a life-size cardboard cutout of Goku, because she originally had like some wall art of the, I think it was for her husband or boyfriend who had it on the wall, and she wanted to basically update it with something a bit more detailed and coloured. So that was the brief: make it high res, detailed, and I mostly just stuck to the original kind of Dragon Ball style of artwork for this. Neatened up the lines, and once that was okayed, moved ahead with the colour. Looks pretty good, pretty neat, and looks really good high res. I worked on massive, huge canvases for this, so it should be good at life size. Just for my own kind of fun, I also added some sort of colour splashes. Thought it'd look quite good if it had a better colour in the background, and put it against some black. I think it looks even better. So nice bit of Spirit Bomb Dragon Ball artwork there just to finish off. So hopefully I'm going to be able to post some more bits that I've been working on over the last while. And until then, if you want to check out more of my artwork, you can go to www.bencrafter.com. Cheers.